Psychology says your habits can reveal more about your personality than your words ever will. The way you think, the way you react, the things you secretly struggle with. These 11 personality types expose patterns most people never notice about themselves. Which one are you? 1. The architect. Before every important conversation, you've already lived through it 100 times in your head. You rehearse every sentence, predict every reaction, prepare for every possible outcome. While others improvise, you're mentally building blueprints for interactions that haven't even happened yet. Your greatest strength is preparation. Your greatest weakness is never allowing your mind to rest. 2. The observer. You notice everything. The forced smile, the delayed reply, the slight change in someone's voice, the tension hiding behind their words. Most people miss these details. You don't. You read emotions like subtitles on a screen, yet you rarely reveal what you've noticed. You see more than you say. 3. The catalyst. Peace feels strange to you. When life becomes too predictable, too quiet, or too comfortable, you unconsciously shake things up. You start new projects, create challenges, take risks. Not because you enjoy chaos, but because your mind craves stimulation more than stability. 4. The chameleon. You become a different version of yourself depending on who you're with. Your laugh changes, your vocabulary changes, even your posture changes. You're not being fake, you simply adapt so well that people often see completely different sides of you. The problem? Sometimes you forget which version is the real you. 5. The anchor. When everyone else is panicking, you're the calm one. You stay composed, you solve problems, you hold everything together. But while others release their stress, you silently absorb it. People admire your strength. Few realize how heavy it becomes. 6. The perfectionist. You don't fear failure. You fear imperfection. You spend hours fixing details nobody else would ever notice. Sometimes you delay starting because the outcome might not match the vision in your head. Your standards push you forward, but they can also keep you stuck. 7. The wanderer. Routine feels like a cage. The moment life becomes predictable, you start craving change. New places, new goals, new experiences. Freedom is your oxygen. The challenge is learning that stability doesn't always mean being trapped. 8. The mirror. You feel other people's emotions intensely. Their pain hurts you. Their sadness affects your mood. Their anxiety becomes your anxiety. You understand everyone else's feelings. Yet when someone asks how you feel, you suddenly don't know the answer. 9. The vault. People tell you things they've never told anyone else. Strangers trust you. Friends confide in you. Even people who barely know you reveal their deepest secrets. Something about your presence makes others feel safe. The strange part? You often keep your own story hidden. 10. The ghost. You can disappear for weeks, months, even years, then return like no time passed at all. You don't need constant contact to feel connected. Your relationships operate on loyalty, not frequency. People may not see you often, but they never truly forget you. 11. The overthinker. You can turn a perfectly happy moment into a disaster scenario within seconds. One small thought become 10, 10 become 100. You prepare for problems that never arrive. You fight battles that don't exist. And sometimes the biggest threat to your peace isn't reality, it's your imagination. So, which one sounds exactly like you? The architect, the observer, the catalyst, the chameleon, the anchor, the perfectionist, the wanderer, the mirror, the vault, the ghost, or the overthinker?